If you've ever tried to force your product to the top of search and then absolutely burn through your budget with zero growth, it is not because you are not bidding enough. We manage millions of dollars in Amazon ad spend every month for 7- and 8-figure brands, and this single misconception is the most common margin killer we uncover during our initial audits. So let me explain why aggressive bidding rarely fixes ranking problems, how to identify what's really holding back your growth. The first trap is what we call the conversion rate trap. This is where you think you're going after keywords that you have a shot at, but you really don't. So what I want to show you is exactly how to uncover this in your account so you can start actually working to rank on the right things. So this is an audit tool that we put together that, by the way, you can absolutely get access to, link in the description, but you need to check what is the conversion rate of things that I am going after. The biggest thing that I see sellers do all the time is say, this is my top keyword, so ergo, I need to aggressively focus on it. But that is not true. And if you are not focusing on the correct ranking targets, all you're doing is throwing your money into a void and your sales are never going to grow. So what you need to do, and this is what we do when we audit accounts, is we go in, we take a look at your specific product and what you are targeting. Now, this is an anonymized file, but we'd actually look at the individual keywords. And what we're looking at is what are you spending on and what is the conversion rate. Because if you are not sending positive signals to the algorithm, if you do not have a good conversion rate on a keyword, two things happen. One, you waste your money, which you can see from this 100% ACoS here, because it's going to take you more clicks to convert. So ACoS just is going to be absolutely bonkers. But the second thing that happens is you are not increasing the positive signals to the algorithm to help you rank. And so what happens is you keep getting sales, but the algorithm doesn't say, oh, wow, this product really converts well when shoppers type in this keyword. And so you don't get the positive signals in the algorithm. You can't afford to increase your sales velocity because, let's be honest, you're super unprofitable and all you're doing is throwing money into a void. And what you should be doing is getting very intentional, looking at the keyword targets, analyzing them for search volume to make sure it makes sense to invest your ad dollars here, and then also cross-checking it with where does my product convert well? Where is it going to make sense both from a business profitability perspective as well as a product performance perspective for me to invest in increasing organic ranking. Do this and you will be focused on the right things and you'll start to see the needle move. But the second trap that I see, and this is, oh my gosh, I cannot tell you how many ad dollars are wasted and how many people are scaling the wrong things, and that is the irrelevant traffic leak. How does this happen? This happens by focusing on things that you think have good ACoS, but they're not going to move the needle. And I want to show you exactly what this looks like. So let's say that you had a product and it's a baby blanket. And so you have a broad match keyword that is baby blanket, right? So if I type this in search, look at how many different long tail variations of this target come up. And again, think of in broad match, this could be exponential because now Amazon's algorithm will also target what's called related keywords. But let's just focus on the long tail keywords. You can see we have blankets for boys and blankets for girls. Depending on the color of your blanket, that may not make sense. You have baby blanket yarn for crochet. Is it a blanket or is it a yarn crochet? Baby blanket cotton. But what if your product is not made of cotton? What if it's baby essentials, baby socks, baby bottles? These are the related keywords that can come up and then I have seen trigger in multiple search term reports when we go and analyze it. Baby blanket girl. Baby blanket's neutral. What if it's not neutral? Barefoot dreams baby blanket, muslin blanket, soft baby blankets. What if it's a personalized baby blanket? What if yours isn't personalized? These are all of the things that can trigger through your broader targeting types. But oftentimes these campaigns also have low ACoS, and that is the trap. So what do most advertisers do? They say, this is low ACoS, let me increase the bid. And what happens? Well, you increase the bid and you increase your cost per click on the target that's working. So maybe it's baby blankets, cotton, but you're also increasing how much you're paying in CPCs for baby blanket yarn. And again, this is the irrelevant traffic trap. If you do not know how to control this, or you focus in on the wrong thing, all you will be doing is growing your ad spend and not effectively growing your account. But the last trap, this is the one that most brands who have been on Amazon for a while are actually falling into. And this is the trap that happens after you've built a reputation for your products and you're not even realizing it's happening. And this is what I call keyword cannibalization. So what we had is we had an account that came to us with this specific problem. They said, hey, I need you to audit my account. My current ad agency is telling me that what we need to do to grow is we need to spend more. And we already are at 12% total ACoS. We don't want to go any higher, but we can't seem to grow. And what did we find when we went and we dug an audit? We found that they were super focused on their branded keywords. Again, this happens when you've built the reputation, when you've been on Amazon for years, when you are a market leader. This can sneak up on you because you don't want to just look at the keywords you're targeting. No, because there can be hidden things in your account that slip in. You want to look at the search terms, and that's exactly what we did. So when we went and we looked at this account and we looked at the search terms and we looked at how much ad spend was going, this is just ad spend, by the way, for only their branded terms. This is not the ad spend for the overall account. So you could see that this is a very large account, but they were spending over $40,000 only on their branded terms. And we saw that and we're like, you know what? There is your problem. You're one, it's not that you can't spend on branded, but you're not being strategic. It's not focused on growth. It's just focused on low ROAS capture, which is not going to help you grow. You're wasting your money. You're cannibalizing your traffic. And so what we did is we lowered, now we're still spending on branded, but we're only spending roughly under $14,000, which is a wildly different than $40,000. Most of our spend is on non-branded. We implemented the correct ranking campaign structure. We stopped spinning our wheels and only focusing on shoppers who already knew and liked the product. We started focusing on growth, and what happened? Total ACoS is still running at even below 12% of where they are, and they've been growing for the past 3 months 30% year on year instead of just staying flat. And why? Because we dug in there and we found out where there was cannibalization. The ROAS could look great. The ACoS could look great. That's a trap. You want to make sure that where you're spending, if you're focused on growth, needs to be on the things that are going to move the needle, and just increasing your bids, just trying to get top of search is not going to cut it if you are a 7 and 8 figure brand. So if you would like to audit your own account, if you want to get access to this free tool that we have put together, all with a video overview of how exactly to use this to dissect your account, to figure out where you're spending that doesn't make sense, to figure out where the cannibalization is, check the link in the description and you can get access to it and start going through and adjusting your ad strategy so you can actually grow instead of just increasing your ad spend with nothing to show for it.